Good morning, students. In this video session, I am going to teach about the linked list deletion. That is nothing but how to delete a node in the linked list. In the previous videos, I already explained how to insert the node in the linked list. Here we are going to see about how to delete the nodes in the linked list. Okay, there are three ways we can able to delete the node in the linked list. First one is to delete the first node. Okay, first node in the linked list. Second one is to delete the last node in the linked list, and the third one is delete the node after the position. Three methods. Okay, we can see one by one. First one, algorithm to delete the first node. So here I am creating one user defined function named delete first. Inside that, first if what is L? L means list. List nest equal to null. That is starting position of the linked list equal to null. I am checking whether the starting position of the nest is list is null or not. If it is null, means it is a empty list. No nodes are there. So we can print the error message empty list. Else I am assigning the starting position to the PTR. Okay, so I am taking one pointer. This is a structure variable. I am assigning the starting position to the pointer. Now here I am going to use one temporary variable for deleting the first node. So temp equal to pointer nest. What it means pointer starting position nest will be assigned. So the first node will be assigned to the temp. See here, this is the starting position. This is PTR. PTR nest means this one. One will be assigned to the temp here. Okay, PTR nest means the nest node of the L starting position will be assigned to the temp. Now PTR nest equal to temp's nest. So the meaning is here it is PTR. PTR nest equal to, this is equal to temp's nest. This is temp, right? After the first node. Temp's nest means this. So I am creating the link from the first position to second position here and make this as a temp. Now I am going to delete this temp by using freeoff. All of you understood? Once again I will explain here. First, L means starting position given to the pointer. Here one variable I am using temp. Temp equal to pointer's nest. Pointer's nest means starting position, nest node will be assigned to the temp. I want to delete this temp only. So after this temp one link is there, right? We have to take the link and given to the pointer's nest. That was pointer's nest equal to temp's nest. Okay. So this link will be given here and we are free up this temp. Okay. So this beginning node will be deleted. This is the first method. So delete the first node or the beginning node in the list. The second one is to delete the last node in the list. So algorithm to delete the last node. So I am using one user defined function void delete last. Here the same thing. L nest. So list nest. Nest to the list, that is the starting position of the list is null or not. If it is null means it is a empty list. Else PTR equal to else nest. For this PTR I am assigning the else nest, the nest position, the first node. Okay. Now here not the starting position, else nest. So the first node will be assigned to the PTR. So this is PTR now. This one is PTR, not this. Okay, PTR equal to else nest. So this one is the PTR now. Now while PTR nest not equal to null. So still this, once it reaches, the while loop reaches here, it will be failed. Still this it will work. All of you understood? Now while nest not equal to null means pre-PTR. Another pointer I am using pre-PTR. Pre-PTR equal to PTR. Now PTR means else nest. So this is only now PTR and pre-PTR. All of you understood? Now PTR equal to PTR nest. So this PTR is moving here now. Okay, like that it will be repeated again till it reaches the null point. Once it reaches the null point, it will be false, it will come out. Okay, so now pre-PTR, this is pre-PTR, right? Pre-PTR nest position, we have to make it null and we have to delete this position. That's what pre-PTR nest equal to null. So this is now pre-PTR, right? This is PTR. So here we have to put the null and this PTR we have to delete it. Okay, so pre-PTR nest equal to null, and using free of PTR you are deleting the pointer. Then close base, it's down, just looking. Okay, so this is the way you have to delete the last node in the list. Okay, and the third one is algorithm to delete the node after the given position. So you have to give the position, the next position, the node which is present in the next to the position will be deleted. So why delete? So list here, this is the list and this is the position also you are giving. List and position you are passing. Again you are checking whether list nest is null, whether it is empty list or not. Else means now the starting position will be given to the pointer. Now this is the PTR start, L is the PTR. Okay, now while PTR nest not equal to P, so the while loop will be executed till this. Once it reaches P, it will be failed, not equal to P. My position is 2. Okay, so still this it will be work. Okay, still that I want to keep the pointer, we are forwarding the pointer position. So now the pointer is here. At first it was there, one time the while loop will be executed, now the PTR will come here. Okay, now once the while loop falls, it will come out PTR equal to PTR's nest. Okay, so again after the position you have to give, right? So after the position you have to delete. So now PTR is here. So PTR equal to PTR nest, it will come here. Now the PTR is come here. Okay, so after the position the 3 want to be deleted. Sorry. Then temp equal to, you are using the another variable temp equal to PTR nest. Okay, so now I want to delete that temp. So temp equal, this is the temp equal to PTR's nest. Then PTR nest equal to temp's nest. So now this is right, PTR's nest equal to this temp's nest. You are assigning, you are creating the link from here to here. Now you are freeing this 3. Okay, now free of temp. Once again I am explaining. At first while loop will be executed till you reach this positions. Once it's come out of the loop, PTR will be PTR nest. So it will reaches here. Okay, now temp equal to PTR nest. So this is the PTR nest, this is the temp. Okay, now you want to delete this position. So we can put free of PTR. Before that we have to create the link from here to here. So PTR nest equal to temp's nest. PTR nest equal to temp nest. Then you are deleting the temp. Okay, so these are the 3 ways we can able to delete the nodes from the linked list. I hope you understand these concepts. Thank you, students. This is the last topic from your 4th year.